I've built a consulting business in my early 20s that's generated thousands of dollars a day in profit, not revenue, profit. So feel free to click off this video and not take my advice if you want to stay broke. My goal is that by challenging you to make 5K in the next 2 weeks, you'll take massive action and surprise yourself. The first thing you need to understand is that you're not starting a sustainable business right now. You're executing a sprint. You only have 14 days. What this means is that every single decision you make needs to be filtered through one question. Will this make me money in the next 2 weeks? This is crucial because most people fail at making money quick because they treat it like they're building the next Amazon. They waste days picking the perfect business name, designing logos, setting up some fancy websites. None of that matters right now. What matters is speed and execution. You need to pick something that can generate cash immediately, and that means offering a service or selling a product that people already want and are already buying. Don't try to innovate. Don't try to create some revolutionary new thing. Find what's working for other people and do it better, faster, or cheaper. That's it. The second thing you need to wrap your head around is that you're gonna have to sell. I don't care if you think you're not a salesperson. I don't care if you're introverted or shy or whatever excuse you've been telling yourself. If you want to make $5,000 in 14 days, you need to sell something to someone. That's how money works. And here's the good news. Selling isn't about being pushy or manipulative. It's about finding people who've got a problem and offering them a solution. That's literally it. So what can you sell? The fastest path is services. Can you run ads for local businesses? Can you edit videos? Can you manage social media? Can you write sales copy? Can you do basic graphic design? Pick one skill, even if you're not amazing at it yet, and start offering it. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be better than doing nothing, which is what most businesses are currently doing with their marketing. A decent Facebook ad is better than no Facebook ad campaign. A decent Instagram presence is better than no Instagram presence. You can literally learn the basics of most of those skills in 48 hours with YouTube and then start charging for them. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, here's what comes after that. You need to obsess over outreach. Making $5,000 in 14 days means you can't wait for customers to find you. You need to go and find them yourself. That means if you're offering services to businesses, you're gonna be sending 100 to 1,000 cold emails or 100 to 200 personalized Loom videos every single day. Because here's the math. If you send 100 Loom videos and you get a 5% conversion rate, that's 5 new sales calls. If you close 1 out of 5, that's 1 client. If that client pays you $1,000, you need 5 clients to hit your goal. So you need to send 500 to 1,000 Loom videos over the 14 days. Does that sound like a lot? Good, because it should. Because making money fast isn't supposed to be easy or comfortable. It's supposed to be intense and demanding. And here's what happens when you actually do this. You get better at it. Your first 50 looms are gonna suck, but by loom 200, you'll know exactly what works and what doesn't. You'll refine your pitch. You'll have gotten feedback from your market. You'll learn how to handle objections, or rather pre-handle them. You'll figure out which businesses actually have money to spend on your service. But you only learn this by putting in the reps. Now listen very carefully because this will save you. You need to get paid up front or at least take deposits. Do not, and I mean do not, do work for free with the promise of getting paid later. Do not accept arrangements where you get paid after you deliver. You only have 14 days. You need cash in your account now. Now working for free in exchange of testimonials is great when you're actually trying to build a business. But right now, when somebody agrees to work with you, you send them an invoice immediately and you don't start the work until at least 50% is paid. I know some people are gonna think, but what if that scares them away? Well, honestly, they weren't serious buyers anyway. Serious people with real problems pay money to solve those problems. If someone isn't willing to put money down, they're gonna waste your time, and you don't have time to waste. You have 14 days. Again, this is a very short-term approach. If you were trying to build a long-term business, my advice would be slightly different. Now, the next thing we need to do is to completely eliminate everything that isn't directly making you money. That means for the next 2 weeks, I'm sorry, but you're not watching Netflix, You're not playing video games, you're not scrolling social media for fun, and you're also not gonna go party with your friends. I know that sounds extreme, but you're the one who said you wanted to make $5,000 in 14 days. This isn't a hobby, it's not long term, it's a sprint. You're waking up and immediately starting outreach. That's 80% of what you're doing all day. You're working through lunch, you're working in the evenings. You're thinking about this challenge every single hour you're awake. And before you say, but that's not sustainable, yes, you're right, it's absolutely not. But it's 14 days. You can literally do anything for 14 days. People run marathons. People do month-long fasts. People train for competitions. You can hustle hard for 2 weeks. And here's what happens when you actually do this. You prove to yourself that you're capable of way more than you thought. You build momentum. You make money. And suddenly, all those limiting beliefs you had about yourself start to crumble. You will literally make more progress in those 2 weeks than you did in the last 2 years combined. That's what massive action does for you. If you want to become successful at whatever it is that you do, you need to become completely unreasonable. When obstacles come up, and they will, you don't get to quit. You don't get to make excuses. You don't get to say, oh, well, I tried. Reasonable people, average people give up when things get hard. But reasonable average people accept average results. You need to be the person who finds a way no matter what. A lead ghosts you, move on to the next one immediately. Somebody says no, great, that's one step closer to a yes, and you practice your sales. The first offer doesn't work, try a different one. You need to operate with this relentless energy where failure isn't even an option you're considering. It's just a matter of time before you get what you want. That's the mindset we need. And I'm not talking about, some toxic positivity or pretending obstacles don't exist. We're not like that. I'm talking about having such a strong commitment to your goal that you'll figure it out regardless of what life throws at you. That's the energy that makes $5,000 in 14 days. It's not talent or luck or even connections, just pure, unreasonable commitment to making it happen. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Look, I'm gonna be completely real with you. Most people are not gonna do this. You'll think about it, you'll plan to do it, you might even take a few steps or do it for one day. But when things get hard, when you've sent 50 messages and you're fucking tired of it and you heard nothing back yet, when somebody tells you no, when you're tired and it's late and you just want to open up Netflix and relax, that's when most people are going to quit. And that's fine. Not everyone is cut out for this. Not everybody can be rich. But for those who actually want it, who are actually serious, who are willing to put in 2 weeks of intense focused work, you might just make $5,000. And even if you don't, you'll have learned a lot, believe me. The blueprint is right there. All that's left is for you to roll up your sleeves and go ahead and do it. If you want my personal help, check out the free resources in the description below.